Good. We're going to try adjusting through here. Relax here for me. Very good. Okay. Good movement. Is that something that you're familiar with?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Okay. Relax right here for me. Very good. Okay. Let me have you lay right here, face down, right on the table. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Lay facing the opposite way for me. Same thing here. Top leg bent, bottom leg straight. Good. Right there. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Lay face up for me.
Excelente. Respira bem fundo pra mim. Deixa eu acertar um pouco. Ótimo. Muito bom. Pode levar de barriga pra baixo. Bem relaxado. Quando eu ver que você relaxou, eu vou ajustar, tá bom? Vai respirando normalmente, tá? Ótimo, bem tranquilo, bem suave. Isso, muito bem. Tranquilo, né? Só assusta um pouquinho, né? Relaxa bem. Segura sobre a ponta. Segura, deixa eu ver. Ótimo.
This area, that's where they'll point to, and that's where she's having trouble. So breathe out. Air starts to go already. How's that leg? Is that hurting?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, good. And there it goes. Good job, Melissa. All right.
Did some posture work as well, and so that'll give her longer lasting relief and set her up to be successful in the future here. Perfect. Awesome.
From the medical profession, which doesn't understand. There you go.
Oh!
Boy. First time ring dinger of the year. There we go. You felt that all the way down, didn't you?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Now that you catch your breath, I'm going to do the Palmer Diversified Rotary Brake. Perfect. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, my God.
Crack addicts gonna love you. And I'm gonna get that thoracolumbar right there. Yes, ma'am. Boy, they probably heard that in Midtown. Atta girl. Okay.
Okay. All right, so we're going to come right over here and just let everything relax there for me. Good. Atta girl. Wow, she's like that.
You can tell Renee and I are married, huh? There we go. There we go. Now see, that's as hard as I can pull on him, and he is still kicking, by the way. Okay. Yep. There we go. Boy, that was a beautiful Palmer Diversified Rotary Brake on both sides. Okay, just breathe normal for me now, Lorenzo. That's it. Oh, yeah. Boy. He has been needing to be adjusted like this his entire life.
Doc, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to just stretch the neck. We're going to stretch the neck. Good. Up and just loosey goose. All the way. Breathe out. Let it go. Good. More. Ah, wonderful. Wow. That was something. Relax. Let it go. Good. And let it fall all the way. Good. Have you ever felt something like that before?
Oh, that's euphoria.
Ooh.
Oh, what?
That felt awesome.
That felt awesome?
Why are you giggling? What's so funny?
That sound was just awesome.
This side's really tight. Feel all that right there. Woo. You can feel the reverse curve in here. Man, it is spasming over here. This whole left side around C3, C4. I'm gonna take my hand. I'm gonna go right through it. I'm gonna move it in the right direction. Wow, it's really tight. Whoa. That was awesome.
Okay, breathe through your nose. Oh yeah. Yes, sir.
Oh.
It's a home run.
Oh. Wow.
Now he does have reflexes. Okay, Patrick, drop your head in my hands like you're sleeping. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Good old Palmer diversified rotary brake there.
Some elbows in, head down, roll back to me. Good, open up. We gotta get you some new shoes. There you go, awesome. All right.
Fundo. Pode respirar bem fundo. Solta o ar. Vai soltando, solta, solta. Ótimo, muito bom. Excelente. Pelo lado. Respirou? Solta o ar, vai soltando, solta. Ótimo, muito bom. Excelente. Vai soltando aqui, solta. Ótimo. Tranquilo?
Just breathe normal for me. There we go. Yes, ma'am.
My
Go ahead,
God.
slide down that way a little bit.
Oh,
I almost pulled you off the table. Did you feel that all the way
almost
down?
lost my lashes. Oh,
Did you feel
Lord.
that all the way down?
I did.
Good.
I can't breathe. It feels so good.
Okay. There we go. Drop it right in my hand. Perfect. It's a Palmer diversified rotary brake on Brooke Adams' neck.
Wow.
I'm going to just lean right over. And all you're going to do is you're going to lay on my hand, kind of like it's a pillow, and we get that adjustment. So that's perfect. And then you'll see the increased range of motion on that side. We're going to lean right on that particular joint and relax this to your hand, and that releases just like that. So
Let your head fall forward into my hand. Let your shoulders drop. Let everything loose for me.
Oh my God. Oh, yeah.
How was that?
It was crazy.
Oh, keep your teeth together. Oh yeah, home run. That's why we call it ring dinger. And you're still kicking it. Wow. Yeah, that's a shock and all wow adjustment. Good job. You handled that a lot better than a lot of people though. I know I'll be hearing all kinds of ways to fix it. There we go. Good. Alright. I think some of y'all just come on here and watch us do the ring dinger to make sure somebody doesn't ever not come off the table. That has never happened, and pray to God that never will happen.
Good, just like that. Good. Good. Yeah.
That was even bigger.
That was even bigger.
Did you feel this improvement when you would go to do physical therapy exercises?
I did not.
No? Okay. Relax right here for me. Very good. Okay. You can relax there for me. Relax right here for me. Very good. Okay. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Good. Very good. Let me have you lay on your side facing this way for me. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Let's have you lay facing the opposite way. There. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Lay face up there for me. Excellent. Good. Excellent. Feel some movement in there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I'm scared. Ah. Ah. Wow. Ow! Wow, wow, wow. Oh my god, that hurts.
Ooh.
Wow.
Adjustment out of here. Really stuck up here. Yeah. In here. Good. Let your arms hang on the floor. Take a breath in and out. Lift your head for me. There you go.
Alright. Keep breath in. And out. I'm just holding yours. Okay. You okay? Okay, deep breath. Turn over. That's a good one.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, keep your teeth together for me. And nice deep breath. Girl. And just breathe normal for me. I'll catch you. That's it. Perfect. Boy, that was perfect. Home run. That's why we call it ring dinger. And looky there, you're still kicking. Okay. This is their favorite, the Palmer Diversified Cervical Rotary Braid. Yep. Yours too, though, huh? Yep,
Oh.
just like that. All right, breathe out. Okay. Keep your teeth together. Breathe through your nose. Just like that. Boy, oh boy. Yep. Okay, so I'm going to adjust your neck here now. There. There you go. Good.